And welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and for the line modifiers on the letters, I tried to make this sort of swirly look that kind of matched the aesthetic and style that my commissioner requested. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get to how this design says what it says, which is I'm always alright. And the bottom of the circle starts here, and you start reading the script at the bottom and you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time, and that's noted right here. So, here's our first letter of our first word. And this is a little circle, so it's a vowel. Vowels are these little guys. And vowels have different positions depending on what vowel they are, and they can also be attached onto consonant stems. But this is a vowel by itself, and it has a line going inwards. So that matches this, which is the I in the word I'm, and I does indeed have a line going towards the middle. And then we have these two parallel lines, going from the sentence circle to the word circle, and because they're not going to any letter stems or any other things like that, that means they are punctuation marks, and this double parallel line is the apostrophe. And then we have this M with 1, 2, 3 line modifiers, so like that there. So this is the word I'm, and then our next word, again, starting at the bottom, we have our A first, and then we have this completed circle inside the word circle. And this could look like a J if you didn't look a little bit further into the design and see these 3 dots. But these 1, 2, 3 dots are all closer to this letter stem than any other letter, so that makes it an L. And then we have a W, which has this here, this arc, ends in 2 spots. It ends here and it ends here. So that makes it count twice for line modifiers, because line modifiers count where they end on a letter stem. So that would be a W, and then we have an A outside the word circle, just like this A. And then we have a circle on the line of the word circle, and there's 1, 2 dots close to that, so that would be the Y. And then last but not least, we have our S with 1, 2, 3 line modifiers, so that would be always. And then another A starting off this word, and then we have an L, 1, 2, 3 dots. R, 1, 2, 3 dots on this R, I, line going inwards, and then we have this GH with 1 dot, and then continuing all the way around down here, we have a T. So that would be I'm always alright. And that is that design. I hope you like it. Thanks.